Morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching. There is a breaking news coming up now from the Interminable Zoological Republic on their Presidiot inauguration new president, who was dangling, staggering in the public. Amazing. You got to see this. This is one in town, man. You need to see it. You can see the insult, the shame, the what would I say, global assault this zoo government has brought to the people. Say that they want to change, they want forward. You can see that the people who are about to rule you, immediately they hand them over power to rule. They will end up in hospital. Watch. You will see them end up in hospital. What you are seeing, what you are gonna see here now, will be amazed. I mean, it will baffle you. Like you can't believe that they just installed a useless and what will I say? A vegetable president. Oh my God. A president is staggering. He's just taking his body. He's doing like that. Anyway, this is Biafra Battle Cry Channel Television under the leadership of Martin Namikalu, followed by the author IPOB Pilotas and by the uh, leadership of our Prime Minister, Samuel Adepa. Wherever you are watching, if you first time, please subscribe and follow us in what we are doing. And we will be bringing to you right now what has happened today in the Damnable Zoological Republic. They just installed a vegetable president. Follow me and watch how this thing transpired today. Just a public assault. Believe me, you will laugh. You, some will laugh, some will joke, some will just fold their hand like they just cover their face. What kind of shame is this? It has brought, what will I say, a real catastrophe. I say, no, it's not. It's a real blunder. This to tell you that zoo is coming to an end. Believe me. Let's watch. Let's watch.
At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect for all officers and all officers uniform.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect to all officers and armed officers in uniform. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I...
They're holding him. What? My God. They're holding this man.
request we all rise as a mark of respect to all officers.
Jesus Christ. What am I seeing? This is unbelievable. Let's watch it again.
And armed officers uniform. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off.
Who is that person struggling to enter the pulpit? Is it a zoo journalist or unauthorized official? Is he trying to attack
The colors and the...
Look at, he's holding his hand. He's holding his hand.
rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all...
Ewo.
All rise as a mark of respect while of
Jesus. The man is limping. He's limping. Hey. This one is that if they hand him over today, the next day, tomorrow, you enter flight for hospital. You will stay there like 3 months before you can come back. This country, thank God, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it, the zoo is coming to an end. This will bring the zoo to an end. Everyone supporting the zoo to exist. Chineke nna nke igwe bịala ha n'iyi. Zoo. All things working together for good to them that love God and to them who are called for his purpose. God Chukwu Okike Abiama has called Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to dismay the zoo. Look at what we are seeing.
officers and armed officers uniform.
Look.
At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request.
You don't even know left and right. You don't even know left and right. Whether you want to turn left or right or left, they are even just packaging him. It's just like what will I say? A fold of garbage. They just fold him, just trying to control him, packaging this side. Chineke na mere my brother. Hey! No wonder America and Britain, they congratulated this man. They want to use this man to rip the country. Repeat. Leave it reckless and abandon. Hey, what a shame. The reason why the Janjaweed allowed this man to come to power is because the running mate is a Boko Haram commander. This vegetable president now, by the time they install him today, like our prime minister said, he will stay like 6 months and die. Then the Fulani Boko Haram commander will take over. Exactly, it's a planned deal. They will use biochemical and just send him to the shallow grave. You go there, then Fulani this inventor will take over. I hope YouTube will not go against what I'm saying because they're very sensitive when you talk about health issue or anything. Please, if this is your first time watching, I place my Rumble channel here. Go and follow because what I'm doing now will now go and back up on the Rumble channel. It's very important you go and follow me on Rumble in case YouTube take this broadcast down because it's likely they might, but I'm not playing. They might immediately I mention chemical or whatever medicine. They will just let me mind my speech anyway. Thank you. Let's watch this video again.
We all rise as a mark of respect while officers and armed officers uniform. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect while officers and armed officers uniform.
Is he standing like a skeleton or is he standing like an idol or is he standing like a toy or rubber? Look at how he's standing. This man is finished. Hey, Chineke na mere my brother. Onyendu will laugh. Onyendu will laugh wherever he is now. I think I will bring another video now. Let me see if I can get another one.
At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect to all officers and
What is this?
warrant officers in uniform.
What is this? Oh!
At the end of
Let me bring the next available video. He can't even hold pen. Can you imagine? He can't even hold pen to sign. All the additional medicine they gave him to sustain him to hold pen, he couldn't. That medicine, expired. Hi, let's go again. All right, we are going to listen to this. We are going to listen to this expired cargo now. Can you imagine these people that are still taking the lives of 200 million Nigerians ungranted? These are the man who ordered the mass genocide in Biafra land. Look at him. I'm going to bring him on the screen now.
My belief always.
I'm going to bring him on the screen.
To keep Nigeria one together and to really make sure that there is a better. Sorry. Yeah, okay. So.
talk to me politely.
Don't know what.
Sorry.
And make Nigeria better. Yes. And what's your advice for the politician, the Nigerian politician? Look at the legal process, you know.
No, look, Chad, now that one, you do your best and be a loyal Nigerian, love Nigeria, good or bad. And whatever it is, if it is bad, try to make it better. If it is good, try to make it even better. Well, best. Try to make it best. Okay? So this is my attitude, and this is the reason why in any government, I have always supported every government that started in this country, and I will continue to support.
They don't know what to say. They have no clue. They have no clue what to say. These people, they have. They don't know what to say. When they talk, they are stammering. They are like, guessing what to say. These are the people who make this country miserable. They are old as, what will I say, chimpanzee. As old as chimpanzee. Just clear for road. You can't clear for road. They make sense. You cannot make sense. All you need, this person that you are seeing on the screen, Gowon, is one who they use, the West and America used to, massacre 5 million people. 5 million people were massacred by the hand of this man. Let me bring it out again. Are you hearing it? That he is satisfied that the zoo are still existing as a massive, or did he say massive nation? Let me hear what he said. Network, where since this is network or what's going on? It cannot be my network because my network is rugged. Are you sure the Arise TV never removed this from their handle? Oh no. You see? And let me see what the Arise TV put here. He said, I'm satisfied that they are not we, they are still existing as a united nation. Does Nigeria look like a united nation? Okay. Like when they say a united nation, that hold on. And the successful transitional democratic from one administration to another, as military head of state, General Yakubu Gowon. Hi, Yusufu. In the next 6 years, he said you might not be here. You will be on the earth and see Biafra come. The Bible said in the book of Psalm 112, the enemy will see it and be grieved. It shall gnat his teeth and his teeth shall melt away, and the desire of the wicked shall perish. That thing you avoid that you will not see, you will live to see it. You will see it and you will regret all the rest of your life plus your generation. 5 million people you order to kill in Biafra land. You think you will get away? You have already prophesizing your grave that in the next 6 years, if you may be here, you will be there. 6 years time, God will keep you. God will keep, even if you drink poison to die, you will never die. You don't know what to say. Guilty conscience. Old man. Legal process. They ask you look at the legal process. He said, no, you do your best. How can you do your best? What Obi, Labour Party, and the Atiku is doing, are they not doing their best? But the people who are there, they just blocked everywhere. The last Friday Supreme Court ruling hearing, do the judge appear? They ran away. How can they do their best when the King Hosea is on top there? Until King Hosea died, we will see the Chukwu Okike Abiam. All of you, ncha niile ga-anwụ osisi Chineke na-akpọ unu ọkụ. Love Nigeria, the zoo, good or bad? Hi, Chineke na ama m otu m ga-esi kpọọ nwoke m eyiyi. Ama m ụdị iyi m ga-akpọ, good or bad. Whether Fulani is killing, you must love Nigeria. Whether Buhari is ruling with impunity, you must love Nigeria. These are the nonsensical calibers that you can see in the zoo talking rubbish in his own Benue. about 200 people was butchered and killed in Benin State. He's from Benin State. Him is from Benin State. In 200, did you hear where he say anything? He keep quiet. He didn't say anything. So whether Fulani continue killing, sacking villages, you must continue to love the zoo, Nigeria. Ihe mere ndị a ife biko ka ife ndị a riri ọ bụ otu a ka eze fadị ka ọ bụ ha tara atụ ihe ugwu ihe otu o si wee mee ihe ka nyọọ tụfịakwa. How can you make the zoo better when you have a president Fulani, senate president Fulani, army commander Fulani, immigration Fulani, air force Fulani, police Fulani, all the brigade Fulani, chief justice Fulani, minister of justice Fulani, attorney general Fulani? How can you make the country better? So they can God damage it. Let me not say something before YouTube will come against me. This kind of thing, I don't know. I can't understand this kind of people. You don't know English, They are just correcting him. Best or best, better, whichever one. English is a communication. Ire gbakpuru gị okpo ịmazi ihe ị na-ekwu. Evil men can't believe this. I cannot believe this. This is unbelievable. These people are just taking the right of human being. Just taking the right of human being for nothing. Nothing to provide.
At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect while officers and warrant officers in uniform. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now.
Yes, Inuaguration. The man is a ghost. Believe me, he's a ghost.
Ride to take permission from the special guest of honor to march off the colors and the rest of the parade. Please, may I request we all rise as a mark of respect while officers and warrant officers in uniform. At the end of the national anthem, the parade commander will now ride.
You know what? I'm gonna stop this thing here. Honestly, this is heartbreaking. There's no way we can continue to look at this thing. It looks like we are just entertaining. We are not entertaining, but I mean, we need to see that everything we are watching here are just fake. Totally fake. Anyone trying to supporting this country, I mean, it's just an enemy of his own people, a pure enemy of his own people. This is unbelievable, very unbelievable. You know. Let's see what Oyindu will say now. Let's see. Oyindu, did he pray some prayer, or I have never seen any Nigerian who has probably. What should I say here? Okay. All those news, we are not going to watch it now. Okay. Biafrans and viewers all over the world, I just want to bring this a quick one so that we can watch and see what happens today in the damnable zoological republic. For sure, zoo is coming to an end. There's no way such a vegetable president can rule 2 million people. The man will not belong there. He will just join his ancestors. And as it is now, we have no choice. We'll keep on pressing the button, keep on fighting, keep on looking for freedom until we get there. We have to continue to push until something happens. That's the resilience that we have to use now. This is another, what will I say, eye-opening to tell us that, the boat we are in, trying to get to a destination, is sinking. So to your attention, oh Israel, thank you very much. I'm also on Rumble. Please, if you have not subscribed to Rumble, go and subscribe, and we will appreciate your following the channel and supporting it. Thank you very much. From me, from here, it is good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Biafra Battle Cry Channel TV. Bye now. See you again in another video.